Okay, here we have the two air conditioning units. This first one is the small one. They're distinctions by Amana. They're kind of dirty, so they got dust, dirt on them already. And here's the other unit. It's quite a bit bigger, same brand. You can see how big this unit is. And you have a power plug-in behind it here, and you have the power disconnects for the both units there on the wall. So you can see how much space you have here. Kinda, it's you have a good probably 4 feet, 3.5, 4 feet at the first one, and maybe even a little bit more than that on this one. So there it is, the air conditioning units.